And maybe I'll ask some of you important vocabulary phrases or sentence pattern. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Okay, if your answer is right, I can give you some advice after the class. Okay? Okay. And look at the title of lesson 3. Do you use your money wisely? When we talk about this word, wisely, we know this word ends with a Y. That means it's an adverb. Okay? And I know that you learned the meaning of wisely before, so you know the Chinese meaning of wisely. But now I want to know the adjective of wisely is wise, right? Can anyone tell me the Chinese meaning of wise? Okay. No, I want to ask you the Chinese meaning of wise. One more time. Yes, very good. And I want to ask one of you, can anyone tell me any word has the same meaning of wise? Louder. Yes. These two words has the same meaning. That means 有智慧的 or 聪明的. So everyone, can you repeat after me? Wise.
Wise.
Smart.
Smart.
Wisely.
Wisely.
So these two adjectives, if we plus ly in the end of the word, then it becomes adverb. If we plus ly, that means 我们在字尾后面加 ly 结尾，它就变成 adverb 副词。So this word means 有智慧。Okay? This is my first question. And because you learned the reading before, so from the first paragraph, we know that Sam is a boy, he's a student, but he has pocket money. You know the pocket money, right? 零用钱. But he spent almost of his pocket money on the things he didn't really need. So I want to ask you, because in the first paragraph, he didn't have enough money to buy his lunch. So he has to, he cannot have money for his lunch. He has to stay hungry. So I want to ask you, what are the three things he bought with his pocket money? Okay. The first thing is
pair of sports shoes.
Oh. And expensive. Expensive. Pair of
sports shoes.
Yes. The first one is sports shoes, and it's very expensive. A pair of sports shoes, and the second one is
fashionable sweater.
a fashionable sweater. Yes. And I want to ask you, what is the Chinese meaning of fashionable? Yes, 流行的. And what about this?
毛衣哦.
Yes. And how about the third thing?
New cap.
A new cap. Yes. So Sam spent almost his pocket money on these three things. The first one is sports shoes. The second one is a fashionable sweater. And the third one is a new cap. He spent, but all of the things, does he need all of this? No, we know he. These three kind of things are not belongs to what he needs. It belongs to what he wants. Okay, so let's take a look at the worksheet. Let's take a look at your worksheet. 学习单. The first question is, why didn't Sam have money for lunch? Please write down the answer. The first question, everyone, the first question, please write down the answer. Why didn't Sam have money for lunch? The answer is in the first paragraph. The answer of question 1 is in the first paragraph. So if you don't know the answer, you can take a look at the first paragraph. Can anyone tell me the answer of question 1?
The sentence will start with because. If you know the answer, please raise your hand and please write down your answer, your sentence on the blackboard. Does anyone know the answer of question 1? Okay, go.
Okay, his answer is because he spent his own money on the things he wants. So is the right answer? Yes, it's the right answer.
Very good. Good job.
I think the first question is very important for everyone because Sam didn't have money for lunch because he spent
All his money, or almost his
party money on the things he
wants, not the things he needs. So the second, I think
the second important part of this article is to teach you how to know the difference between needs and want. Okay, needs and want. So let's look at the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, that the author giving some useful suggestions for Sam to solve his problem. He said that you is, Sam must work out what his needs and wants in life are. I want to ask you, what is the Chinese meaning of work out? Work out. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me? What is the Chinese meaning of work out? If you know the answer, raise your hand.
Okay.
Work out. 中文名词是什么 ？Work out.
No, not.
No, not to wake up. It's work out, not wake up. So can anyone tell me the Chinese meaning of work out?
Work out. So
Because he said Sam must work out what his needs and wants in life are. So what is work out? What does work out mean?
分辨 very close.
3 words in Chinese.
In Chinese.
3 words in Chinese.
去分辨。 Very easy.
Yes, very closely. 想清楚. Okay, so please write down 想清楚 here. Work out means 想清楚. 想清楚 work out. So I think the order means that to start first, Sam has to work out. That means he has to think carefully. Think carefully. So in this work out, 想清楚. You can write down. That means think carefully. Carefully. That means to think carefully. To think carefully that what his needs and wants in life are. Okay. And the things he said, the things people can do without, such as getting enough food to eat and having warm clothes to wear, and their needs are their needs. And the things people wish to have, like a pretty dress, a beautiful ring, or their own swimming pool, are their wants. So the author gives you many examples to tell what our needs and wants in our life. And now please look at the pie chart. Okay, please fill out the pie chart. This is a pie chart, the big tool. Okay, and because in the second paragraph we learned how to we know what's the difference between needs and wants. Needs means things people can do without. Write down the answer.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Things people can't do without. And what are wants in our life? That means things people wish to have. And this is the 50-30-20 budget rules in the following paragraph. So you have to write down savings. What are the needs in our life? Like food, water, sunshine, or air. Yes, very good. And what are the wants in our life? A lot of things, right? New shoes, or new smartphone, new iPhones, or online games. Can anyone give me some example of what are the wants in our life? Wants. Can anyone give me?
And boyfriend.
A boyfriend
And girlfriend.
and girlfriend. Yes.
你不是有 girlfriend？
And can anyone give me some example of the wants in our life? Come on, very easy. Okay. You say A++. I think that's the dream, but I wish you can come true. You want to get A++ in the coming exam, right? Yes, I think everyone wants to have A++ in the coming exam, and I think it's maybe it belongs to wants in our life, because we wish to get A++. It's a dream, but maybe you can dream come true, okay? And this is savings, 存钱. Because this is a very important rules in lesson 3 in the reading. We learn that if we work out what the needs and the needs and wants in our life, and we practice this rule, that means 50% of our money goes to needs, 30% of money goes to wants, and 20% goes to saving, 存下来. Maybe we can manage our money wisely, okay? And now we have to write down the answer of question 2. How much should Sam save if he follows the rule? Here, 学习单. The question number 1. How much should Sam save if he follows the rule? How much? Maybe you don't know the money, but maybe you can write the percentage of his, what percentage of his money should he save if he follows the rule?
Yes.
And if you know the answer, please raise your hand. Yes. I know you know the answer. I know you know the answer. Please.
No.
Please help us to write down the answer.
Oh,
Write down the answer. Okay? Write down on the blackboard, okay?
okay.
Yes.
Of course.
Question. Yes.
Question 3.
Question 2.
Question 2. Okay.
Here, please.
Of course. Thank you very much.
不是呀，我按到了。
Okay. 你待会跟我。
Do you want to
No.
give me some suggestion about how to learn English? No? Okay. Or you want to volunteer to answer question 3?
Okay.
Yes. He wants to answer question 3. Yes. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait.
Yes, very exciting. Forward to answer the question.
Very beautiful words. Thanks for your answer. Okay, let's take a look at each sentence. The question 2 is, how much should Sam save? How much should Sam save if he follows the 50-30-20 budget rule? Okay, and his answer is 20%. Yes, we know, because we don't know how much is Sam's pocket money every month. So we just have to enter 20% of his money should go to his savings. Plus SU. Okay? And the question 3 is very easy. He said, will you try the 50, 30, 20 budget rule? And Chad, he said he wants to answer the question right. Yeah.
Welcome.
Will you try this rule in your life?
Yeah.
Why? Do you want to save money? Do you want to save your pocket money?
Always.
Always. So
Never.
Have you ever tried this rule before? Have you ever tried this rule before?
Yes.
Yes. Really? And how much is your? Can I ask you how much do you have in your pocket money every month? Yeah, every month.
我知道了，那你还问？我是
Or every week?
我算一下。
Wow.
不是我们一天。
Sounds like you have a lot of money, so you have to count. Or every day.
Every day.
So how much do you have in a day?
Maybe 100.
Oh, 100. Okay, so you just separate $180 to this rule. 50% goes to the needs, 30% to the wants, and 20% to the savings. Really? Really? Can I ask you what did you buy here today? Needs. About needs. What did you buy?
Today?
Yes.
Today I buy.
Today I bought
Today I bought.
ice cream, breakfast, milk.
Oh yes, I bought
Milk.
milk.
Okay, milk. So you bought a bottle of milk and breakfast.
No.
No. Okay, just one milk.
Yes.
$50. $50 for one milk.
Yes.
Really? Okay.
Oh.
So expensive. And how about the things you want?
No.
No.
You're right. You're right.
Oh, girlfriend.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Girlfriend.
Or he can. Maybe he saved $30 today, right? Maybe you save $30. $30 goes to your savings, right?
Yes.
Okay. So his answer is that Chad's answer is yes. He will try 50, 30, 20 budget rule. And does anyone want to answer the same question? The question number 3. Do you want? Okay.
No.
What? You don't want to try the rule?
Yes.
Why?
Because.
Nope.
I don't have money.
Oh, because you don't have pocket money.
Yes.
Okay.
So sad.
But maybe you can try the rule in the future after you grow up.
Okay.
If you have part-time job, you can save money. You can have your own money. So maybe you could try this rule to manage your money. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, I think if you don't have pocket money right now, don't be sad. You can try the rule in the future. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now we finished these 3 questions. Very good.